This short has gotten 86,000 views since it was published, but only made $1.77. This long form video has gotten 1.1 million views and made over $4,800. So is it worth making shorts up to 3 minutes long when it seemed like you could make more money with a 3-minute long form video? Let's discuss the differences, and I'll share my recommendations at the end of the video. Where do shorts appear on YouTube? Most shorts videos are discovered in the shorts feed while people are scrolling their phones using the YouTube app. They can also be discovered on YouTube search, Google search, recommended on your channel homepage, YouTube's homepage, and also the Watch Next pages. This means you can get a ton of traffic from all these locations where your shorts videos appear, resulting in the fast growth of your channel. For example, this shorts video currently ranks on the first page of YouTube search as well as Google search. It's gotten over 86,000 views since it was published and still gets 852 views every 48 hours, mostly from external, which is Google search and YouTube search. Unfortunately, it only made $1.77. So why do shorts make such little revenue? Shorts views exclusively receive ad revenue sharing from the shorts feed. This is separate from long form video monetization on the watch page. Another thing to keep in mind is that shorts ad revenue will be the same whether the shorts video is 1 minute or up to 3 minutes long. So if you make a 3-minute shorts video and a 3-minute long form video and they both get 10,000 views, the long form video will make more money because it gets higher ad revenue. Later, I'll share more ways you can make money from shorts rather than just ad revenue from the short shelf, so keep watching. Shorts views also contribute to the eligibility requirements of the YouTube Partner Program of 1,000 subscribers and 10 million valid public shorts views in the last 90 days. They don't count towards the 4,000 public watch hours. Can you monetize YouTube Shorts without 1,000 subscribers and 10 million public shorts views in the last 90 days? Yes, you can with fan funding. You won't be able to earn ad revenue, but you can monetize your content, including shorts, using fan funding tools. All you need is 500 subscribers, 3 public uploads in the last 90 days, and 3 million public short views in the last 90 days. After meeting those eligibility requirements, you'll be able to make money from channel memberships, super chat and super stickers, super thanks, and YouTube shopping. Super chat and super stickers are ways to connect fans with creators during horizontal and vertical live streams and premieres. Fans can buy super chats to highlight the message in the live chat. The bigger the purchase amount, the more the message stands out and the longer it stays at the top of the chat feed. With super stickers, you get an animated image that appears in the live chat. If you want to encourage fans to purchase a super chat, tell your fans what the purchase is for, such as new equipment. You can also use super chat donations to answer questions so they get something in return for their purchase. Super thanks lets creators earn revenue from viewers that want to show thanks for their shorts or their long form videos. Here's how the super thanks button appears on your shorts and at different amounts that you can purchase. Here's how the super thanks donation appears in the comments. To enable super thanks on your channel, make sure you move the slider to the right. You'll also be able to see the activity of these super chat and super stickers. Channel memberships lets viewers become a member of your channel with monthly payments and receive members-only perks. For example, if you want to become a member of my channel for $9.99 a month, you receive loyalty badges next to your name in the comments and live chat, custom emojis to use in comments and live chat, exclusive members-only live streams so you can get your questions answered live, get access to my members-only Facebook group, and support my channel so I can purchase new equipment. Just click the join button below this video. YouTube Shopping lets eligible creators easily promote products from their own stores or across brands on YouTube. This means you can connect your store to YouTube to feature your own products and content, tag products from other brands in your content, view the performance of tagged products in YouTube Analytics. Click on the Earn button in YouTube Studio to explore affiliate offers and to connect your store. You can select your store from these 4 platforms. After you've connected your store, a store tab will automatically appear on your channel. A clickable shop link will appear on your shorts as well as regular videos. When a viewer clicks on the link, they can browse your products. This means your fans can browse and buy your products at any time. Here's how to tag and sell affiliate products on shorts and regular videos so you can earn commissions. Select your video, select tag products. I'm going to search for the Sabina Tech microphone. Here it is. Estimated commission is 3%. And here's my product displayed under the video when somebody clicks on View Products. Here's how the product appears on regular videos. You'll be able to view your commissions in YouTube Analytics. What if you don't meet the eligibility requirements to get into the YouTube Partner Program so you can generate ad revenue from your shorts or meet the requirements for fan funding? Can you still make money from your shorts? Yes, you can with brand deals and sponsorships. With brand sponsors, they pay you to advertise or promote their product or service. Here's a sponsored video I made for a company that earned me over $1,000. The beauty of brand deals and sponsorships is that you don't need millions of views and subscribers to get a brand deal. You just need the right audience. Watch this video to learn how to get brands to sponsor you on YouTube. Link is in the description. Here are my recommendations. Experiment with making 3-minute shorts to see if they resonate with your audience. If you attract thousands of views, you won't generate much ad revenue from your shorts video, but you can still make a lot of money using the options I mentioned. This includes selling affiliate products as well as your own products, super thanks and super chat, as well as brand deals and sponsorships. Another idea is to make a long form video, then rescale the same video into a short using the vertical dimensions. Just make sure you slightly customize your short so it's not exactly the same as your long form video. For example, you can add a related video link on top of the short. Just don't republish the same video over and over. If you want to know how to rescale a regular horizontal video to a vertical shorts video, watch this video on the screen right now titled Convert Horizontal Video to Vertical Online for YouTube Shorts. You'll be glad you did.